When I was small, I thought, if I don't pray, Allah will punish me. I was scared every day.
My son, that is a common feeling for children, but as we grow, we realize not praying isn't punishment from Allah, it becomes a punishment for ourselves. Prayer is not just obedience, it is your protection, your peace, your guidance. When you neglect namaz, your heart feels empty, your mind loses focus, your soul feels distant. Namaz is a gift from Allah, not a burden. It strengthens you, calms you, and keeps you on the right path. You pray not for fear of punishment, but for the benefits it brings to your own love. Remember, my son, Allah doesn't need your prayer, but you need it. Namaz is for your heart, your mind, your soul, not just for Allah.